in this cold so many times, just as many as you need to know. That when you feel that wind against your skin, a little part of